Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2707.650, and there is a higher chances that we can see there will be a further upside because there is a clear U pattern is forming. So chances of touching a level of 2712 will be there, and after that it can touch a level of 2716. Once the price moving over this level, a probability of going above a level of 2725 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside movement we can see. Okay, and once started going up 27, 27, 26, we can see there will be a zone breakout, so further upside will be there. But if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of around $2699, and from there it can go further low towards a level of 2693. And if the price started going below this level, a probability of going towards 2690 will be there, and then a further low we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, after October, what we have seen, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. So that is what we can see in the coming days also. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, but see, look at this, the pattern is forming and similar patterns are formed here. So there will be a zone breakout as soon as it started going off $26. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see the dollar index, as I've already explained you, that if the price of dollar index started going above a level of 109.5, then we can see there will be a further upside movement, and then it can touch a level of $110. Okay, and once the price moving over this level, we can see it can go further upside because there will be a zone breakout and a further high we can see, and this level we have seen in November of 22. So chances are high we can see a further upside movement, as we have seen the elections are the inauguration ceremony is there for the Trump, so we can see there will be a movement in the price of dollar index. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of 109, a further downfall we can see towards 108.5, and from there a level of 108, and if started going below this level, it will move in this zone. Okay, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down. If the dollar, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what we can see. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a higher chances that it can move towards a level of $2713. If the price moving over this level, a probability of going towards 2716 will be there, and once the price moving over 2716, probability of going towards 2723 will be there, and these two levels are already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can go further high at towards a level of around $2744. After crossing a level of $23, probability is very high. We can see it can go towards a level of around $26, and from there a probability of going further upside we can see towards $2741, and once it started crossing over level 2741, because this level is already being tested, so it will touch a level of 2750, and then it can move towards $2758, and then a further upside movement we can see. So you have to understand that probability will be very high. After crossing 2758, we can see a level of 2762. Why I'm showing you this, because there can be a probability we can see there will be a good movement if the price started going above this level. But if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards its next support, that is coming at a level of around 2700. If the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2693 will be there. Okay, suppose if the price falling below that particular level, we can see a level of 2690, which is already being tested. Chances are high the price will go further low, and yes, after that we can see it will go towards a level of around $2686, and from there a probability of going towards a level of $2678, and once the price moving below this level, a probability of going further low we can see towards $2671, and if the price going below this level, we can see a level of around 2665, then to a level of $2661. Okay, and if that level goes further low, we can see there will be a chances that it can move towards a level of 2649, and then a further low we can see. Okay, if the price didn't sustain, I have already explained it can come towards a level of $2699 to a level of 2697, and then to a level of 2693. If the price going below this level, we can see it will cross a level of 2689, and chances of touching a level of around 26.78 will be there, and then from there a level of $26.69. Once the price falling below this level, we can see a level of 26.65 and then to a level of 26.60. So bounce back can come from this level. If it started falling below this level, we can see it will move further down towards a level of $26.55, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of 26.38 after crossing level of 26.42. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe me. Thank you.